Welcome to the All-in-One Productivity Planner. This tutorial shows the real workbook in use. Not a slideshow. The planner contains 18 connected tabs for money, tasks, habits, goals, meals, content, gratitude, routines, and review. Start on the Start Here tab. The quick guide explains the recommended order, customize the setup, enter data in the working tabs, and review the dashboard last. I am moving the cursor across the navigation area so you can see where each part of the system begins. Now open Setup. This is where you personalize the workbook before regular use. The left side contains expense categories, their type, monthly target, and notes. The middle lists task categories, priorities, statuses, and mood choices. On the right, each month has an income target, savings target, and focus theme. I will select the January income target and replace it with $5,200. Next, I will increase the savings target to $900 and set the focus theme to grow. These are normal input cells. The planner keeps the surrounding structure and formulas unchanged. Use short, consistent labels so drop-downs remain easy to scan in every connected tab. Next, open the Budget tab. Each row records a date, month, category, type, description, plan amount, actual amount, difference, and paid status. I am selecting the first actual expense and entering $1,425. As soon as the value is confirmed, the difference updates automatically. I will also change a utilities amount so you can see the same workflow again. Enter each transaction only in the intended input columns. Do not type over totals or formula results. The summary block on the right combines income, planned spending, actual spending, the remaining amount, savings rate, and the needs versus wants ratio. This is the basic pattern throughout the planner. Enter clean data once, then let the connected calculations organize the result. Open Task Manager for real task entry. I will replace the first sample task with finalized product listing. Then I will choose business as the category, high as the priority, and progress as the status, and me as the owner. The start date and due date are entered as real dates, not plain text. The done field can be changed when the work is complete, and the days left column responds from the due date. Use one row per task. Keep task names specific and actionable. The drop-down fields make updates faster and reduce inconsistent spelling. This table feeds the planning views and the dashboard, so it should be the main place for task records rather than creating disconnected lists. The daily planner turns selected work into a realistic schedule. Use the cursor to point at the time blocks, top priorities, and notes area. The weekly planner spreads larger work across several days, while the monthly calendar gives a deadline view. These pages are for planning, not for storing a second copy of every task. Keep the master record in Task Manager, then use the planning tabs to decide when the work will happen. A short daily review and one weekly reset are usually more useful than filling every available space. Now open Habit Tracker. Each habit has weekly check cells and an automatic progress percentage. I will change the first empty check from 0 to 1. Watch the progress value on the far right increase immediately. Use this page for a small number of habits that truly matter, such as exercise, reading, water, sleep, planning, or family time. The mood tracker works in the same simple way. Record a consistent daily score or label, then review the pattern instead of judging one isolated day. The goal is useful consistency, not perfect completion. Open Goal Tracker to turn a broad goal into a measurable result. I will rename the first goal, set its area, and update the progress value. Keep the reason and deadline clear so the goal remains connected to action. The Meal Planner helps organize meals and grocery decisions. Content Planner is useful for topics, channels, dates, and publishing status. Gratitude provides a simple reflection space, and Routine Builder turns repeated actions into a visible morning or evening sequence. These tabs use the same principle. Add information in the input area, keep labels consistent, and return later for review. Finally, return to Dashboard. This page should be reviewed after the source tabs contain data. Finance cards summarize annual income, actual spending, savings progress, debt balance, budget remaining, and the needs ratio. Productivity cards summarize completed tasks, work in progress, habit averages, mood energy, plan content, and routine completion. I am moving the cursor through each section as a pointer. If the dashboard value looks wrong or blank, do not edit the dashboard first. Return to the related source sheet and check the dates, categories, statuses, or amounts. The dashboard is a review center, not the main data entry page. This is one unified master template for Excel and Google Sheets. In Excel, save a separate working copy before major customization. For online use, open the Google Sheets access link from the sales PDF, choose File, then make a copy, and edit only your personal version. Desktop or laptop is best for setup and detailed entry. Mobile is best for quick progress checks. Sharing through OneDrive or Google Sheets can support collaboration, comments, and version history, but always confirm the permission level before inviting another person. The complete routine is simple. Start with setup. Enter clean information in the relevant input tab. Use checkboxes and drop-downs where available, and review the dashboard after the data updates. Keep formula cells and chart areas intact. Save an untouched backup, and use the separate fitness tracker bonus for workouts and measurements. With short, consistent updates, this planner becomes one connected system for budgeting, tasks, habits, goals, meals, content, routines, and long-term progress.